Every weekend, my family requests that I make this honey glazed grilled chicken wings and thighs because it is so sweet and yet spicy. Hey lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. And if you've been following this page for a while back, thank you so much. So let's head right into the video. So into a clean bowl, you want to add in your properly cleaned soft chicken and thighs. Take note of the soft chicken. And into this, you want to go ahead and add your curry, your thyme, your chili powder, your paprika, your white pepper, black pepper, whatever seasoning you like to add in your chicken. I added in Suya spice because I just like that flavor, right? I would say that if you have lemon pepper seasoning, please go ahead and add it to this spices because it's going to give you that lemony flavor, because it makes your honey glazed chicken wings and thighs very enjoyable. Check the description down below for every single spice that I used while making my honey glazed chicken wings. You want to add in your vegetable oil to serve as a binder, and then you use your hand to massage your chicken wings and thighs so that all the spices, all the flavors will be properly incorporated into this chicken. Allow this to marinate for an hour, and if you don't have time at hand, you can just go ahead and pop this honey glazed chicken in your preheated oven. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Pop this into your oven and you want to allow it to grill for about 15 to 20 minutes. And guys, we're not done, no. Now for the most important part, but you can see how juicy our chicken wings and thighs is looking. And now to achieve that honey glazed flavor, you want to add in quality butter to your pan, and into this quality butter, I know I'm saying this, you want to go ahead and add in the spices you used for your chicken wings and thighs while marinating. For that honey glaziness that you want in your honey glazed chicken wings and thighs, you want to go ahead and add in a little amount of onion, not too much, and then you stir and combine this with your flavored oil. I added in ketchup to achieve that barbecue taste, but it's very optional, right? Then you also want to stir this and keep note to cook this on a very low heat. You don't want your butter to get burnt because you don't want it to be bitter. You don't want your honey to get burnt because you don't want it to be bitter. Add in your grilled chicken to this honey glazed sauce, and you want to combine this together for a minute or two. You want this to stick to your chicken wings and thighs. Trust me, it's not every time you should just boil your chicken and then fry it and then eat. Try this recipe out, my lovelies, and I'm telling you, you will rush back to my comment section and be like, girl, I put you on something good. Go ahead and add in your chili flakes to this glazed chicken and it's ready to get devoured. And my lovelies, I use this honey glazed chicken wings and thighs for my tortilla recipe, my shawarma recipe, for my breakfast recipes on my Instagram page, and I'm also going to be posting it on this YouTube page. So you can subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Trust me, you just want to try it out. It is amazing. So if you like this video and you want to watch how I made my yamari better, the crunchy outside and soft on the inside recipe, just click on the icon above the screen.